So over here you can see that I got some Jamboard projects, and let's say I want to create a duplicate of them. So to create a duplicate of a Jamboard, open it out, and once you open out the Jamboard you can see that this is what you have. So now I can go on to the top right where you can see more action as an option. You can click on this and then click on make a copy. So once you do that, it says copy document, so you can rename out the file that is the copy file into anything you like. So I'm going to type in example3 right here as the name of the file and press OK, and what happens is that it opens up the new copied file in the new tab, as you can see. If I were to go to home right here, you'll be able to see the copy over here as well. So there's example3 right here and there's example. So you can make changes to this as per your wish, and the original document remains unchanged, and you can work with it as a separate file because it is a separate file in itself now. And that is how you can create a copy of Google Jamboard document. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.